Hi, in the last two videos I have shown you parsing using regular expression and token sets. But in this case in this video I will show you parsing using patterns. So first of all I will show you my physical data set, physical data object that I have created. This is my physical data object, employee underscore new. These are the ports, EID, full name, salary, department and address. Now if you want to see your data, you can click on this data where and then click on run. Now I can see all the ports here. Now I want to split my full name into first name and last name using pattern based parsing. Now let's start with this. First of all I will create a mapping. I will use name pattern underscore year, and this is the location where I want to create. This is the repository name and Pradeep is the project name. You can see here. Finish. Now first of all I need a source for this. That will be this employee underscore new. I want to read from this, so I am using read. Now I have created a source. You can see all the 5 ports here. You can see all the 5 ports. Now I need a parser transformation. Select parser. Okay. Then there will be two options. Either you want a token parser or pattern based parser. I will use a pattern based parser. In the last two videos I have shown you token parser. Now click on finish. Now you can see there are 2 inputs and 2 outputs. Now I cannot provide this full name into both these 2 outputs. So first of all I want to divide my full name into labeled data and tokenized data. For this I need a labeler transformation that will divide my data into 2 parts. Labeler data, labeler transformation I am using here. Now in the output of this I am passing my full name in the input. Now I have to configure my labeler. You can go here, properties, strategies. Now add a strategy here. Click here to add a new strategy. You can give any name to the strategy. Input will be full name. Now this will be output, labeled output. Now there are 2 options here, token or character. Now if you want to divide your full name into characters, then you will use this character option, but in this case I want to divide it into tokens, that is into words, so I am using token. Now this is the delimiter, that is space between the first name and last name, and this is the output delimiter. I will not change this. I will use default values and go to next. Now there are 2 options here, either you want to use reference table or token set. Now I will use token set. Now you can see a list of token sets here. Now I will use word token set, as there are words in my full name and full name, so I will use word token set, then next, then you can finish. Now you can see there are 2 outputs of this. I will connect my label output with label data and tokenized data with the tokenized data. Now you can go to parser, select parser and change the properties of this, then go to ports. Now add a port here under overflow. I am using first name and second port will be last name. So these are the 2 ports here. Then I will add a pattern here. I can add a new pattern. Now here you can enter your pattern, but what will be my pattern here? For this you have to select your labeler transformation. and click on run database. Now you can see here there are two outputs of this, label output and tokenized data. Now in the label output you can see your label name given to this tokenized data is word space word. So because I have used word token set. Now again go back to parser, properties, parser, and enter your pattern here. My pattern will be word space word. Now for first name I will use word 0, that is first index of the word, and this will be second index, word 1. Now you can select your parser and click on run database. Now you can see here word is full name is divided into first name and last name. Now for the target, either you can create an empty flat file, or you can use expression transformation from here. You can use EID full name from source into this, because you can also want to say this. Then you can use first name and last name back to this. Now if you want to see department also, you can use department from source. So this will be a mapping. Control S, save, then select expression and click on run database. Now you can see here these are the ports of the expression where you can see ID, full name, first name, last name, and department. Now you can see your first name is divided into first name and last name using patterns. Now I hope you like this video. Thank you and have a nice day.